Can a robot be the next Picasso? Rethinking creativity in the age of AI. Imagine walking into an art gallery and being blown away by a stunning painting. But here's the twist. It wasn't painted by a human hand, but by an algorithm. This scenario is no longer science fiction. With the rise of sophisticated artificial intelligence, AI, machines are now capable of generating art, music, writing, and more, sparking a fascinating debate. Can AI truly be creative? The AI artist, a new kind of muse? AI art generators use complex algorithms, often based on neural networks, to learn patterns from vast datasets of existing artworks. By analyzing these patterns, the AI can then create entirely new pieces that mimic or combine different styles. Some results are remarkably impressive, raising questions about the very definition of creativity. Traditionally, we've associated creativity with human qualities like imagination, emotion, and unique experiences. But AI challenges this notion. It doesn't have personal feelings or life stories to draw upon. Instead, it relies on its ability to process and synthesize information on a massive scale. Is it art or just a fancy copy-paste? Critics argue that AI-generated art lacks genuine originality. They see it as a sophisticated form of imitation, simply rearranging existing elements without true understanding or intention. After all, the AI doesn't feel the art it creates. It doesn't have a message to convey or emotions to express. However, proponents of AI art argue that creativity isn't solely about emotional expression. They point out that human artists also draw inspiration from existing works, remixing and reinterpreting them in new ways. AI, in a sense, does the same, albeit through a different process. Moreover, the human input in designing the algorithms, curating the datasets, and choosing the final outputs adds a layer of human creativity to the process, redefining creativity, a collaborative effort. Perhaps the most interesting aspect of AI art is that it forces us to rethink what creativity really means. Maybe it's not just about individual genius or emotional depth. Maybe it's also about the ability to explore possibilities, generate novel combinations, and push the boundaries of what's possible. In this view, AI isn't replacing human creativity, but augmenting it. It's a new tool that artists can use to explore new forms of expression and push their own creative limits. The future of art may not be human versus machine, but human and machine working together in a collaborative dance of creativity. The philosophical encore. This debate isn't just about art. It touches on deeper philosophical questions about consciousness, intelligence, and what makes us human. Can a machine ever truly be creative, or is creativity an exclusively human trait? There are no easy answers, but the conversation itself is incredibly valuable. So can a robot be the next Picasso? Maybe not in the way we traditionally think of it. But AI is undoubtedly changing the landscape of art and forcing us to reconsider the very nature of creativity. And that in itself is a masterpiece in the making.